Hi, in this video, we are going to go over naming unbranched alkanes and cycloalkanes. So naming straight chain alkanes, we use what's called the IUPAC system, or the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. They created this formal system for naming organic compounds. Straight chain alkanes are assigned a name based on the number of carbon atoms in the chain and the ending "ane." The names are derived from the Latin numbers, which are over here in this table. For 1, we have meth, 2, eth, 3, prop, and so forth. So for a 1 carbon atom alkane, we'd have meth plus ane. So ane for alkane. This forms the basis for naming all organic compounds. So you need to know these prefixes because for every organic compound that we name, these prefixes will be important. So these are examples of the first 10 straight chain alkanes. You only need to know the first 10 prefixes. So we have methane, ethane, propane. Heptane is 7. So we see that we have 7 carbons straight in a row. And we have hept, which is 7, and then ane means that it's an alkane. Remember, alkanes are only carbon-carbon single bonds. So cycloalkanes are 3 or more carbon atoms joined by carbon-carbon single bonds arranged in a ring. So if you have cycloalkanes have 2 fewer hydrogen atoms than the corresponding straight chain alkanes. For pentane, we have 5 carbon chain. If we remove a hydrogen from each end and join the 2 carbons, we make a chain or a cyclical structure, and we get what's called cyclopentane. We have our 5-membered ring. All the carbons in the cycloalkane still have the same tetrahedral electron and molecular geometries as a straight chain alkane. Cycloalkane naming, they're assigned names based on the number of carbon atoms in the ring, and the term cyclo is added to the beginning of the name. So no ring is less than 3 carbons, so you need 3 carbons in order to make a ring. Cyclo, which means that it's a ring structure. Prop, which means that it's 3. Ane means that it's carbon-carbon single bonds. So cyclo, prop, ane. Then we have cyclobutane, cyclopentane, hexane, heptane, octane, and so forth. So for unbranched cycloalkanes contain a ring of 3 or more carbon atoms, each with 2 carbon-carbon single bonds and 2 carbon-hydrogen bonds, and they have 2 fewer hydrogens than the corresponding straight chain alkane. So their molecular formula is CnH2n, where N is the number of carbon atoms. Straight chain alkanes are assigned a name based on the number of carbon atoms in the chain, with the ending ane, and those are where those Latin prefixes come in. And the name of cycloalkanes is cyclo at the beginning plus alkane, where the alkane name is based on the number of carbons in the ring.